Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of RV maintenance with a product that's a game changer for your roof. We're talking about the Dicor RP-RC320S Deep Cleaning Rubber RV Roof Cleanser Spray. If you're looking for the best cleaner to keep your RV roof in pristine condition, stick around because this one's worth knowing about. The Dicor RP-RC320S is specially designed to clean rubber RV roofs effectively. It's not just about removing dirt and grime, it preps your roof for coatings and other maintenance steps. Made by Dicor, a trusted name in RV care, this cleaner is easy to use, biodegradable, and safe for regular application on all RV roofs and exteriors. If you're wondering why Dicor stands out in the RV care market, it's because they've been dedicated to quality and innovation for decades. Their products are trusted by RV owners and dealers alike for maintaining the longevity and performance of RV roofs. To wrap it up, if you're in the market for a top-notch RV roof cleaner, the Dicor RP-RC320S is a solid choice. It not only cleans effectively but also prepares your roof for the next steps in maintenance. Remember, a well-maintained RV roof means peace of mind on your travels. If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and tips on products that make a difference. Have you tried the Dicor RP-RC320S? Share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.